The Projekt Browser allows you to easily navigate through all different aspects of your project: model drawings, generated sections and views, and schedules. We'll start by creating a project. We can choose which drawings to include in our project. We should only include 3D BIM models. All associated sections and views will be added to the project automatically. The Projekt Browser consists of 4 segments: sections, schedules, sheets, and models. If you draw a new section plane, it will appear in the Projekt Browser. Generating this section will create a sheet that also appears in the Projekt Browser. In a more realistic BIM model, the Projekt Browser might look something like this. It is still possible to change the associated models after the project has already been created.